everyone, and welcome to the new Passport Batch 2 unboxing video. In this short video, I'm just going to take you through what you can expect when you receive your passport in the mail. So first of all, if you receive your device through the mail, there'll be a shipping label on the top of the box. The second thing to note is the blue security seal on the outside of the outer box. You'll note the security number on this seal, and this is fitted at the factory. Generally speaking, these security numbers will all start with the same B799, although throughout the batches there may be some slight variations to this. All of these variations will be found on our documentation website, docs.foundationdevices.com. Now this security seal is tamper evident, so if anybody's tried to remove this, there will be a blue mark left on the box. We would advise you to use a knife to slice down the top, and we can open the outer box like so. And inside we will have the inside box. Now the inside box containing passport will be bubble wrapped, which is bonded to the box itself, which should just be able to peel off. Next up, the box is also shrink wrapped. So you just take a knife, slice down the side, you should be able to remove that too. On the bottom of the box you should see a barcode and the foundation logo with the relevant regulatory stamps. The black lid lifts off the top, and there we have Passport Batch 2.